Welcome to your restaurant operations platform, a completely unified system designed to connect your front-of-house sales with your back-of-house production, inventory, and accounting. Today, we are going to walk through the entire system from end to end so you can manage your restaurant with absolute confidence. Let's begin by establishing your operational foundation in the Settings tab. Here, you can configure your restaurant's profile, including tax rates, receipt footer messages, and your exact seating capacity for standard tables, bar seats, and the patio. From this same page, you can update employee display names, view their access roles, and set up your distinct physical tracking locations, such as the kitchen, bar, or prep area. Understanding your hidden costs is vital for profitability, which is why you can assign recurring operating expenses directly to your locations. By entering expenses like rent, utilities, or salaries, the system automatically normalizes the frequencies to calculate your exact daily burn rate and a dynamic overhead percentage based on your trailing 30 days of revenue. With your foundation set, let's build your supply chain. In the Suppliers tab, you can create profiles for your vendors, logging their contact information and payment terms. Next, navigate to the Inventory module to build your master ingredient list. You can define minimum stock thresholds, assign items to specific locations, and even create custom unit conversions, like converting a 10-pound bulk bag into usable cups for recipes. When inventory runs low, jump into purchase orders. You can draft a new order, apply taxes, and generate a professional PDF to send to your supplier. Once the delivery arrives, simply mark the order as received, and the system will automatically update your inventory levels in your chosen physical locations while updating the rolling average price of your goods. Now we can turn those ingredients into a menu. Start in the Recipes tab, where you can build your culinary instructions, attach ingredients with precise measurements, and define yield amounts and shelf life. To ensure profitability, move to Recipe Costing. By selecting a location context, the platform pulls the real-time average prices of your inventory and applies your dynamic overhead rate, giving you the exact, true cost to produce a single portion of that recipe. Take those costed recipes to the menu manager to build your customer-facing menu. Link a recipe, enter the direct labor rate and hours required to plate it, and assign a selling price. The system will instantly calculate your final profit margin, color-coding it so you know immediately if a dish is financially viable. With your menu ready, let's look at the daily operations. Your waitstaff will use the Take Orders point-of-sale interface to assign items to specific tables and fire tickets directly to the kitchen. The POS automatically displays red allergy warnings based on the underlying recipe ingredients to keep guests safe. In the back of house, chefs use the Kitchen Display System, or KDS, to view incoming tickets, bump individual items as they are plated, and mark entire tables as ready for service. Once the meal is complete, waitstaff can use the POS to print a fully itemized receipt and securely close out the table. Behind the scenes, your kitchen team needs to stay prepped. Using Prep Management, you can define specific prep items and their par levels. The system generates a daily prep sheet, comparing your current stock against par levels to tell the kitchen exactly what needs to be made. When a staff member completes a prep task, the system instantly deducts the raw ingredients from your master inventory and logs a fresh batch with an automated expiry date. For larger batch cooking, the Production Cost module allows you to track exact expenses by logging labor types, hours, and ingredient waste percentages, saving a permanent historical record of what it cost to produce that day's batch. Furthermore, logging completed menu items in the Kitchen Production tab ensures that all components are properly deducted from your physical stock. To maintain perfect inventory accuracy, utilize the Waste Log and Counts modules. The Waste Log lets you categorize losses, such as spoilage, spills, or customer comps, so you can see the direct financial impact of kitchen errors. The Counts tab is used for your regular physical inventory audits. By logging beginning and ending counts, the system automatically compares your theoretical usage against your actual usage, highlighting costly variances. Finally, all of this operational data fuels your reporting and accounting. The Menu Profit tab automatically plots your menu items on a matrix, classifying them as stars, plow horses, puzzles, or dogs, based on their sales volume and profit margins. The production reports offer deep dives into ingredient consumption and expected variance. The Standard Reports tab provides exportable CSVs for total inventory valuations and supplier spending. Everything ultimately aggregates in the accounting dashboard. This financial command center provides an income statement and tracks every automated transaction from your production and waste logs. You can easily add manual off-book expenses and view your total revenue, cost of goods sold, and ultimate net income. By utilizing this completely connected platform, you have eliminated the guesswork from your business and taken absolute control over your restaurant's operations.